My name is Teresia Nduta from just around Nairobi. So I'm here to gain insights on the whole entrepreneurial thing, and my expectations for today is go back home with key takeaways and important insights from the workshop, and also be able to actualize that in my day-to-day activities. I'm so excited to be part of this program and workshop. My experience so far has been great. I have met amazing people. I have met the moderator. He is so intelligent, he's so informative, and as the entrepreneurs, we've had a lot to take away and to learn from him in terms of having a growth mindset, in terms of entrepreneurship, and being the change makers in this world. Actually, I didn't expect it to have been this good, but I have learned quite a lot, like I would say, and all my fears, now I have new courage to be able to face them and get into the real world and actualize all the knowledge, all the skills, and the insights that I have gained from the program. Everything has been good so far, but I feel like the time has been limited or short, because I feel like there's quite a lot to learn from each other, getting to know each and every person in the workshop, what's the intent to do. So probably like 3 to 4 days would have been good, but all in all, the program has been good. The time, though it was short, kind of short, but we have made the best use of it.